Where are you going? Oh, you're getting his ball for his birthday?
Happy birthday!
Mm.
Happy birthday!
Maybe you should sing to him again.
Happy birthday to him.
Go pet him on his head while you sing.
Happy birthday to him.
Do you know how old he is?
2.
Nope, he's 9.
9.
9.
It's like his birthday cake.
He did like his cake?
What's his cake like?
I don't know. We didn't get him one.